What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make articles more readable in the new Edge Chromium browser. So recently Microsoft updated Edge to Edge Chromium, and now this is a much faster browser, and it admittedly looks a lot like Google Chrome, but hey, it's just a direct competitor. That's what the game is. So there's this new feature that they added to it at the top here that is called Immersive Reader. And if you click on it, it makes the article more readable, as you can see here. It makes strips out all the advertisements, organizes the pictures and the text to make it easier to read, and adds this nice little tan color to make it easier on the eyes. But what I would like to say about this feature is that it's built in. You don't have to install an extension like I've done in Chrome and Firefox and other videos. However, the downside is that it's not accessible on all articles. As you can see here in my CNN article that I have open, the Immersive Reader option is not available here. So you just have to keep an eye out for what articles it's available for. But if it is available and you do decide to use it, there are also some other cool features with this as well. You can also do read aloud. So if I click this, it's going to start reading this article for me.
The coronavirus, what scientists have learned so far. A respiratory virus that originated.
Anyways, I'm not going to keep that going because that's going to take up the whole video. But yeah, so there's also some other options like text preferences. You can change the page color, the text spacing. There's some grammar tools to highlight nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and there's also some reading preferences that you can also translate to another language. So this is actually a very useful feature in the new Edge browser. Would it make me switch to it? Not necessarily, but hey, I do appreciate Microsoft's efforts here. So if you want to exit this, you can either press F9 or just click this again. By the way, the keyboard shortcut for it is F9, but yeah. So that is the Immersive Reader in Edge. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.